Hi all, welcome to the Mystical Sciences. My name is Anish. I'm a Vastu expert, astrologer, numerologist, Reiki master, geo engineer, energy healer, and also an interior designer. We also design some house plans based on Vastu, based on the five energies actually. I was just browsing through internet sometime back. So I have seen many questions asked by people whether Vastu works or not, whether Vastu has some energies, is it real or not? All these various kind of questions which people were asking. I just wanted to give you an answer for this. In this session, we are starting a series on Vastu, its benefits. Like any house which is constructed according to the Vastu, what kind of benefits they will be having. If it is not constructed according to Vastu, then what kind of defects they will be having. So here we are starting a series. Before starting the series, I would like to give you one answer to a question which many people asked, whether Vastu is there or not, whether Vastu works or not. See, it's very simple. In your body, if you are having energy, okay, then only you can live. Whenever the energy is out of your body, the body is a dead body, which cannot react. Right? The same way, a house also has a body, and that body is always working, always doing its activities. God has given you this body with two hands, two legs, and two eyes, all the other parts of the bodies which you have. But in case if there is any problem in the body, say handicaps or people who don't have, who are blind, who do have problem with their hands, legs, all these things, or any organs in the body, will you be happy? You cannot walk properly in case your legs are not proper. You cannot do your work properly if your hands are not fine. Okay. So the same way your body is balanced. And the same way a house also has a body in it which has its head, hands, legs, all the parts of the body which is there. Okay. Whenever that particular body in the house is disturbed, anyone, whoever is living in the house, will have those disturbances. Okay, so your body, as it is balanced, consists of five elements. A house will also have five elements. To balance your body, you need your hand, your legs. The same way, to balance your house, your four sides are very important. That's east, west, north, south. Apart from that, the corners of the house, which is connecting the east, north and east connected, is called northeast. South and east is connected to southeast. South and west is connected, is called southwest, and west and north is called northwest. If these four directions, four walls, I call it as four walls: the east wall, west wall, north wall, and south wall. Apart from that, the corner points which are there, the connecting points, the northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. These four corners are very important for your house to be balanced. Any problem we are facing this day in that in our life is only because of the house nature. So house plays a very major role. In the house, if you have any problem in the northeast, you will have problem with the head, physical, psychological, any sort of issues. If you have any problem in the southeast, you will not have fire in your body to work or do any activity. You will be very lazy. So your southeast is very important. The fire element is very important. The same way, southwest area, if it is not balanced, you will not be stable. You will not be feeling secured. you will not be having support, you will not be having proper stability in your life. Whenever you feel you are unstable, you are working hard, but still you are not getting desired result, or if you are not getting, if your life is not stable, then it is a problem with the southwest Indian house. The same way, if you are having any problem with the support, whether in your professional life or in your personal life, everything is connected with the northwest of your house. So in our life, money, health, wealth, your support, your relationships, everything is there only in your house. Without proper house, you cannot live a proper life. So house has lot of energies. Never ever neglect the house. It is not Vastu, it is the four corners of the house which is very important. If your four corners of the house is balanced, then your life is balanced. Okay, so Vastu works a lot. Vastu means nothing but the five elements, the five energies. Your body consists of five energies. If the five energies is balanced, then only you can lead a happy life, healthy life. The same way, the house is also having that five elements balanced. Then only everyone in the house will lead a happy life. Okay. So in this series, we will talk about all the house plans, new house plans, or already designed house plans. Okay, defects of the house plan, and if it is new plans, what all need to be placed. Your living room, your kitchen, your children bedroom, your toilets. These are very important actually. If you are placing it in a proper place, then you will have a very happy life. At the same time, the colors which you use there, what kind of colors need to be used according to your horoscopes, all these things we'll be discussing. If you are having any doubts, you can send me on plans. We will talk about that. We'll discuss on that. See, people who don't believe, don't worry. When you know something, then only you believe. Otherwise, you will not believe. And one more thing is, whether you believe or not, Vastu, the place which where you are living, it does its work. It will not wait. It will not say you don't believe, so I will not give you any problem. It's not like that. If you have a defect, it will give you a defect. If it will give you problem. If it is not having any defect, if it is having positive energies, it will give you positive. So it is irrelevancy of your believing or not non-believing. It will give its own effects. Okay. So anyways, don't worry about that. Any problems you have, you can discuss. We will see the plan, and we will ensure that you are getting the result in 3 days. Only thing is, you have to do certain things, adjustments in the house, no breaking. Okay, no major remedies, small remedies. You can just test it. You will get the result in 3 days. Minimum is 3 days, maximum is 15 days for sure. No doubt about that. We are doing research since 20 years, and we have worked with most of the houses, duplexes, everything. We have got the result. So no need to worry about that. So any Vastu doubts, plans, new plans or old plans, or anything you want clarification, you can mail us, or you can call us, or WhatsApp. The numbers are given in the description. Okay, so join us for the series where we are doing all Vastu related. Okay, so thank you all. Take care. Stay safe. Thank you.